Hello and welcome to the inside of a PET universal board. It's a 40 column 4032. It is. And that's where the keyboard plugs in. And because this is all very, um, the cables are just the right length, so I really can't show as best as what is going on. But I can tap the key, I can push the shift lock key, and indeed, the shift lock key is working. And that is a good thing. So the next thing I will do, and I know this is a very quick little video thing, is I will put this keyboard back into the case of this PET. And then I can do things to, the other thing we were working on was a data set which doesn't spin, which is not good, of course. But anyway, but the other thing I want to make sure of before I tinker around and see what's what and see what's working and what surgery needs to be done on the data set, make sure that a data set, in fact, will work with this machine. I have other data sets around. I can test them. I can see what's what. I can. So, that's where we're at. So it is time to put the 12 screws, a 12-step program, into getting this keyboard back into this machine. And then it will be back together, and I can do more testing, etc. I still have to put in the diagnostic board to check on RAM issues because this machine is reporting it has about half the RAM that it should. But that may not be something that we really need to deal with. We'll see. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.